Guys, wait. I have something funny to show you. We're not playing basketball. I'm playing with this. So if you don't want to see me chucking door hinges, you better scroll. Door hinge! Door hinge! Door hinge! Door hinge! I found it on the ground today. Hinge! Who likes to play with door hinges? Door hinge! Jeez, bro, oh my god, I'm stuck. Door hinge! Door hinge! It bounced off right bad. Door hinge! It says something on there. Oh, like national something. You can't see it, but it's like the brand name. Door hinge! Shoot, I missed. Guys, I'm right back. I'm showing you outside the door hinge. See, guys, okay. Look, it's a door hinge. Finders keepers wall. I wish I wanted to grab it, but it's finders keepers wall, I said. I'm gonna keep it forever, or from one of the pogs, or have on the track, so yeah. Door hinge! Ah! You got spit on my phone, bro. Door hinge! Jesus Christ! It's not 4th of July! Door hinge! It's not 4th of July, bro. Why is there fucking firework? I want someone's a gunshot.